So friends, today we will study what is the effect of buyback on the share price of the company. In other words, whether share price of the company increases or decreases due to buyback news. And what are the reasons for buyback? Why company buy back their shares? Before going into detail, let us tell you one thing, that in India, buyback of shares is regulated by SEBI, Buyback of Securities Regulation 2018. What is buyback of share? A stock buyback, also known as share repurchase, occurs when a company buy back its share from the marketplace. When the company buy back its share from the market, this is known as buyback of share. It is also known as repurchase. So, in short, let me tell you one thing. Due to buyback news, the share price of the company increases. Yes, friend. So you can see L&T stock jumps over 6% on share buyback proposal. So buyback will have a positive effect on share price. SoftBank shares rises 13%. India Energy Exchanges rises over 9%. So you can see buyback is having a positive effect on share price. Infosys stock rises over 2%. Fine. So you can see due to buyback share price increases. Our system soars 15% as board considers share buyback proposal. Fine. Tanla Platforms hits 5% upper circuit due to buyback. GAIL surges 6% due to buyback. HPCL rises 6%. Fine. TCS jump 5% due to buyback. HP Enterprises rises due to buyback. So one thing we have seen, that due to buyback share price increases. Now what are the reasons for buyback? Why company buy back its own share from the market? So the main reason is excessive cash reserves with the company. Company will have surplus cash. Company is not having any investment opportunity. So better to buy back share in that case. In our class question also, we have covered one question where company was having surplus cash. Company has additional cash in hand to boost share price in the open market. When company sees that its share price is quite low in the market, company may buy back to increase the share price, to boost share price. No substantial new long-term projects. Company don't have any long-term projects in hand, so better to buy back shares than to keep cash idle in balance sheet. It might not have an alternative investment options. Raising promoter holdings in the company. It may also increase the promoters holding in the company. They want to reduce the number of shares in the open market. Company wants to reduce number of shares so they can buy back its share. The company feels that the share price is undervalued. I've already stated this. To improve the company's shareholder values, to increase market value, company may resort to buyback. Fine, sir. Apple announces $90 billion share buyback as result. So not only Indian companies, world best companies is also resorting to buyback. Fine, sir. Even Google, plenty of cash with nowhere to go, is repurchasing its share. Alphabet, Google parent company is known as Alphabet. Fine, sir. So you can see what we have studied till now. What is the effect of buyback on share price? And number two, what are the reasons for buyback? Microsoft. So you have seen Microsoft, Google, Apple is repurchasing their shares. They have plenty of cash in hand. Fine, sir. So friends, all these things which we have covered in our class. So friends, let's see a practical video on buyback of shares. Definitely this video will enhance your knowledge. Fine, sir.
Exclusive, we learned from sources that the tech giant is considering a mega share buyback plan. Remember, the company has cash of close to 38,000 crore rupees on its book, and there has been a lot of speculation on how the IT major will deploy that cash. A buyback could be a step in that direction. Nisha, who broke that story earlier with us, joins in with the details. Nisha?
While there has been enough pressure from the investors of Infosys to really consider a share buyback for the utilization of funds to benefit the shareholders of the company, now we gather, at least from two independent sources with direct knowledge of the development at Infosys, that the top management team is actively and very seriously considering a large share buyback plan. In fact, sources do share with us that 12,000 odd crore rupees could be the whopping amount which could be utilized for the share buyback out of the 38,000 odd crore rupees, which is as cash reserves and cash equivalents on the books of Infosys. Now remember, times are testing for the IT sector on the whole. They are uncertain times, and with H-1B visa costs rising, the Trump effect on the IT sector, things are looking bleak at this point. So making a large acquisition is also not a feasible option for the company, and therefore considering to reward the minority shareholders in particular with a share buyback is something that the company could be actively considering at this point.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Nisha.
So I hope you like this small presentation of buyback of shares and its impact on share price. So friends, whenever you are a shareholder of any company and your company is resorting to buyback, you must know all the practical aspect, and definitely this will increase your knowledge to a next level. It's not only about bookish language that we are studying a chapter for examination purpose. You must also know the practical aspect of all these topics which are covered in our class. Because the motto of our class is learn more, earn more. The more you will learn, the more you will earn. Fine, sir.